Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please subscribe down below. Give this video a like, and today we're going to be doing this pumpkin spice inspired makeup look. I was going through McDonald's drive-thru, and when I went to get my pumpkin spice iced coffee, the girl at the window was like, "You should do a pumpkin spice inspired makeup look for a video." And I was like, okay. So here it is. Hopefully you guys like it. I want to give a shout out to for being the first person to comment on my last video. I really appreciate all of your guys' support. When you like, comment, dislike, subscribe, all of that good magical love, it helps me out, because not only does it help me know what you guys want to see, but it helps YouTube know what you guys want to see. So when you like and comment and all that jazz, it bumps my video up so that YouTube will play it more for people searching for something similar to what I do. And if you're new here, I do mommy makeup, cleaning, parenting, lifestyle, all that. That's my channel. And remember, my giveaway ends on October 1st. And let's get into the video. Okay, we're gonna start off with the Orange You Glad. I want to go in with Sun-Kissed first. So it always amazes me when I go out in public. I do live in a small town, don't get me wrong, but it always amazes me when I go out in public and somebody recognizes me or knows me from YouTube or posts that I make on Facebook about YouTube. I just don't feel like I'm relevant enough. If I look weird, I did not put on makeup today, but I did put on eyebrows and a lipstick, and I wiped off the lipstick so I could do my makeup look. And let me just tell you, so far, I love that lipstick. Holy crap. I ate a bagel and drank some coffee and some water, and I had little to no transfer at all from it. And then I went to take it off, and the dang thing was not budging. I had to go in full force on my lips, and it was an experience. I was like, oh my gosh, I'm just gonna have red lips for the next 10 years. It's not going away, not even slightly. Okay, now we're going to go into Rise and Grind. Get a little bit of a smaller brush. I'm going to go into Rise and Grind right here. I am so sorry, guys. I'm just kind of deepening this crease just a tad. You know, I love layering colors. But yeah, back to my story. It always amazes me how many people I meet out in public that like watch my videos or know I do videos or whatever. And I went to McDonald's today to get a pumpkin spice iced coffee because they have pumpkin spice. And I'm all about the pumpkin spice. Like, it's my whole world. I love candles, body wash, you name it, it's probably in my house. My best friend came over last night, and she goes, "Went and used your bathroom, and I seen your pumpkin spice hand wash, so I used that. Then I turned and seen that you had pumpkin spice lotion, so I used that. And then I was walking through your kitchen and seen you had pumpkin spice body spray, so I used that." I was like, yep, that's pretty much me. That's me. I could be a walking ad for pumpkin spice. I just absolutely love it. So, anyway, the girl hands me my coffee and she goes, "You should do a pumpkin spice inspired eye look." And I was like, okay, I'll try. Hence, what we're doing today. Did I tell you we were going into You Peel Me? Yeah, that's what we're going into. I don't know if I said it, but we are. We're in You Peel Me. So we've used Sunkissed, Rise and Grind, and You Peel Me. Okay? Sunkissed, Rise and Grind, You Peel Me. I kind of want to go just a little bit deeper with the brown. I'm just going to try and layer this up. This is a very pretty orange brown, but I think I want to go just a hair deeper. It actually doesn't look bad in person, but on camera it's showing up really orange, which is fine. I just, like I said, I want it just a tad bit deeper, so we're going to do that. I'm going to go into 10% off in the James Charles palette. Okay. I don't know if that actually did a whole lot, but we're going to say it did. And I'm going to cut my crease. We're going to do a halo. Okay. I'm going to take a little bit more, 10% off. Kind of put it on these corners. For all I know, she does not watch my videos, and if she's seen it, she'd probably hate this video, but I do so much with orange anyway. Okay. I think I want to go in with this orange here, and then I want to try and layer the glitter on top, I think. I usually always spray my glitter or my shimmers, so it's not that the shimmers are bad. I just love the way shimmers look when you wet them. I'm going to go back into a little bit of You Peel Me. Put that back on just to make sure it's there. I don't want to lose it anywhere. You Peel Me? Okay, I do want to layer this glitter on top. So we're going to take this glitter glue. I'm sure there's better glitter glues. This one works, but it's, I wouldn't call it the best, but then again, this is the only one I've ever used, so I can't tell you if it's really bad. I just know that I sometimes have difficulty having glitter stick in the wrong areas or pick up in certain areas, and I'm not sure if that's because of this. Okay, so I'm going into Clementine, the glitter in the middle, because because, you know, we have to be a little extra. And we're just kind of placing it in the middle and kind of fading it out on the edges. Oh, that is... This is my favorite palette. Out of all the ones that I won, this orange one is my absolute favorite. Yeah. Alright. I'm gonna... Should I put a wing on? No. I'm gonna do my other eye and my face makeup off camera, and I will be right back. Okay. We're going to pop into the James Charles palette again. We're going to take a little bit of 10% off on a little pencil brush. Literally just placing it right on the waterline. It's a little drying, but it's a lot easier than buying every single shade of eyeliner, because trust me, to get that right shade of brown or blah blah blah, it can get expensive. Okay. Now we're gonna go into this palette, and then we're gonna go into Rise and Grind right there. I'm gonna blend it generously. But yeah, I thought it was neat. I always think it's neat, honestly, when I know that somebody knows about my channel or something, and like, I don't know, it's crazy. So I'm gonna go into Sunkissed. Okay. Now I want to put a little black on my top. Mascara, I don't want to do lashes, although this look would be absolutely gorgeous with them. Here, I wanted to move my camera down. Okay. Oh. My eyes look super orange right now because of the orange on my eyes. My eyes are not like a normal color brown. I mean, they're brown, but I have like hints of green and hints of yellow. I don't know. But then they're still really brown. And like, I explained it to somebody as honey brown, and they laughed at me, but that's really like, that's what they look like. They're like, sorry, I say that a lot. Some days they'll be bright yellow, honey golden looking, and then some days they'll be dark brown, and you're like, that is so weird. But my eyes change just like hazel eyes do, where they change from like gray to blue to blue to green. I don't know what I'm saying. My eyes change from like bright yellow to dark brown, and then like when they're not as bright as they could be, you can see the hints of green in them. It's just very, very, very light. And it's actually something that I've only just recently noticed. I didn't really think I had any green in them, but like, because I have yellow in my eyes, there are certain places where you can see a little green, like greenish yellow hue. And I think it's stunning. We've got the lashes on. Then I couldn't decide if I wanted to do Posh Spice or this shade, but we're going to try this shade first. I feel like it looks metallic, and I don't really particularly love that. But the shade itself is pretty. Alright, that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Leave a comment down below letting me know what you'd like to see next. Let me know if you liked the way this look turned out. Head over to my giveaway video, subscribe, like the video, leave a comment letting me know which palette you'd like to receive if you won the giveaway, and your Instagram handle. Make sure you're a US citizen, and I hope you have a great day.